Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to record audio on MacBook. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to Geeker Mag. So first of all, you need to click on the apps icon on the launchpad. Now here you need to type QuickTime Player, and when it appears in the result, click to open it. Now you need to click on the file option on the top and then select new audio recording. Now this audio recording window will open. Now before recording, if you want to make microphone changes, then you can click on this down arrow and then from the list select the one you want to go with. I will go with this one. And if you want to set the quality, you can use these options. I'll go with maximum. Now click the red button and this will start the recording. Once you're done with your audio recording, simply click on this stop button and your recording is done. Now you can play here to listen to your recording. Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to record audio. Now to save the file, simply click on this file option again and then select save. And here give your file a name. Select the location where you want to save it and then click save. And you can see that my audio file is exported. So this is how to record audio on MacBook. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to the video, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.